Hi everyone, featuring our brand new listing. This is a semi-detached home. Very hard to find, very rare to find, I would say. Quality built home. You've got easily 1,900, 2,000 square feet of pure living space. Follow me. Open concept. This home is mint condition. It's been meticulously kept. Not a scratch anywhere. We're in the kitchen here. We've got this gorgeous pantry, this walk-in pantry. Everything's nicely organized. Granite countertops, of course. You've got all your stainless steel appliances. So if you love to cook, you've got ample cabinetry spaces and storage spaces. Got a nice living room here. Living room's over here. You got a formal dining room here. And take a look at this deck. Two-tier deck, nice deep lot, over 100 feet. When you're looking at homes in this area, generally the lot's a little bit shorter, but this is a nice wide lot. You can easily host 10 to 15 people. Let's go take a look upstairs. Second floor, 3 bedrooms and a total of 2.5 bathrooms. Naturally sunlit, you got south and north facing, so you got sunlight everywhere. Take a look at these bedrooms. Coming down to the lower level, it feels more of your home. So instead of the conventional, you open the door going down the basement, the builder actually finished this entire space. So the flow is amazing. You can turn this into a den, office, recreation room, children's learning center. Very nice flex space. Thanks again for watching, and what was your favorite part of the home?